Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to treat myself to a little pumpkin muffin today. I've been doing really good, so I feel like I'm entitled to a treat. So we're going to go ahead and try this. If you watch my other video, I did preview the banana nut and it is delicious. So we're going to try the pumpkin today, and then we're going to probably do another versus. I feel like there's one brewing here. So here are the ingredients for this. And here are your macros. So I'm going to add to this some raw pumpkin seeds. There's nothing added to this, just straight up pumpkin seeds. For the recipe, you're going to need some coconut oil, some eggs, and obviously a muffin pan. I am going to do a cream cheese frosting to add to my treat, and I'm going to use the Swerve confection sugar replacement. So let's get started on our delicious pumpkin spice muffins. Hey guys, so the recipe here calls for 12, just like the other one. So we're gonna kind of eye it and wing it here. I'm only gonna do 4. It's all about self-control. I can't do exactly 20 minutes. Let's get our muffins out of the oven. Ooh la la. Okay, so we're gonna let these cool off, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our delicious cream cheese frosting. Okay guys, let's get started on our cream cheese frosting. So I just added some cream cheese that's at room temperature. I'm gonna add about a cup of melted butter, a splash, not a splash, of vanilla, and we're gonna use this Swerve confectionate sugar as our sweetener. I'm gonna start off with, what is this? This is 2 teaspoons. So let's start off with that, and let's see how that works. Okay, guys, so it's time to give our pumpkin spice muffin a try. Mmm. That is good, guys. The only thing